1, 2, 3. G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial, we are going to look at doing this design, text masking. So let's get started. So what we need to do is we need to add a new page. Come over to Elements, and because I've done this design before, we'll just utilize the images that are in my recently used. So this is a basketball player making slam dunk. Alright, and what we do is we just bring this up to the corner and enlarge it out there. Then what we want to do is we want to bring this over here roughly to about the center there. And then we want to use these letters, letter J. You can use it in any font. I'm just using in the sans serif. So we just bring those into the canvas, go to layers, show layers, highlight them all, and just drop the size down for now. So now what we want to do is we just want to bring those over to the right hand side. Alright, and they're all lined up, 19. Then we'll select them all and we'll reduce the size. Okay, so we'll just bring this back over here for now because we brought it over too soon. And what we'll do again, actually we'll bring that down into the color like so. Okay, then what we do is we just duplicate all these into the letters like that. Again, duplicate and duplicate. And then what we want to do is double click on each letter and expand this out like so, because what we are doing is lining that image up with the one behind it like so. Okay, a little bit fiddly, but when you get it all lined up, okay, click out, double click, enlarge, and bring that down. This can be a very addictive design using the letters. Okay, double click on that one, bring that one up like so. Okay, reduce the size and bring that down like that. Okay, and this one, like so. Okay, and there you have it. Oh, not like that. Like that. Alright. And just bring that one down like that. And there you have it. No, not quite. Just see that that's a little bit off over here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Right there. No, still not right. That looks good right there. Okay, so now that you've done that, you just click on the back image and you drag this over across, and you can see there how the body lines up with the letters. And then what you can do let's come over here to the letters, add a border change the color to white, and do that for the rest of the letters. Change the color to white. Okay, border, change the color to white, and border, and change the color to white. Okay, and then what you can do is come over here, grab the Canva logo, go to layers, show layers, join those together, group, put that up there in the corner, and then grab a bit of smoke if you like, rotate it around to 90 degrees, and press the control key to bring it in behind so it doesn't go into the actual letter. Rotate that around a bit. Okay, and go layers and send that to back. Alright, that just highlights the letters. So there you go. That is text masking in Canva using the letter frames. Alright, until next time, have fun with Canva, and thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hope you've learned something. Alright, bye for now. Testing 1, 2, 3.